Now we again start our subject computer of class 8 chapter 1 topic computer networking। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस किए थे। अब हम लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। ये आपको नोटबुक पर नोट करने हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफाइन द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग। आंसर, there are many advantages of computer networking. Some of them are given below. तो पहले आती है equipment sharing. It enables user to share hardware components like scanners, printers, etc. with everyone the network. Full stop. So there are more numbers of computers as compared to printers in big offices or in big organizations. Full stop. This cuts down the cost by reducing the number of hardware items bought. अब है ease of communication. We can communicate with others for exchanging messages and information through networking. Full stop. Computers connected to each other allow information to get transferred easily and quickly. फिर आता है data sharing. It allows user to access data stored on other computers. Full stop. This keeps everyone up to date. Full stop. In big organizations or in big offices, users on a network can have access to a common database. Full stop. This centralized database avoids duplication of data. फिर आता है program sharing. It can even let users run programs that are not installed in their own computers but are installed elsewhere in the network. Question number 2, describe the types of network in details. Answer, networks are the 3 types. These are number 1, local area network LAN, number 2, metropolitan area network MAN, number 3, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क WAN। तो नंबर 1 हमारा आता है लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क LAN। स्मॉल कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स दैट आर कन्फाइंड टू ए लोकलिस्ट एरिया, एग्जाम्पल एन ऑफिस, a building or a factory are known as local area networks LANs. Full stop. They link computers, software and hardware in the same area for the purpose of sharing information. They transmit data with a speed of several megabytes per second. Full stop. They are generally connected with coaxial cables. नंबर 2 हमारा आता है मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क मैन। मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क आर द नेटवर्क्स दैट कनेक्ट मोर देन वन LAN in a city or town. Full stop. मैन covers a large geographical area than that covered by even a large LAN. Full stop. They are generally connected with telephone lines or fiber optic cables. Full stop. The networks of ATM, cable TV and computers connecting various branches of an organization within a city are the example of मैन। उसके बाद नंबर 3 हमारा आता है वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क वैन। ए वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क इज ए network that exists over a large geographical area. Full stop. A WAN connects different smaller networks including local area networks and metropolitan area networks. Full stop. This ensures that computers and users in one location can communicate with computers and users in other locations. Full stop. The ARPANET is an example of a WAN. अब आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What do you understand by network topology? Answer. In computer networking, topology is the term used to describe the way through which computers are connected in a network. Full stop. Network topologies may be physical or logical. Full stop. Physical topology refers to the physical design of a network, including the devices, location and cable installation. Full stop. Logical topology refers to how data is actually transferred in network. Network topologies are categorized into the following basic types: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology and last mesh topology. ये आपके 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गए हैं लॉन्ग। आपको ये सारे नोटबुक पर नोट करने हैं। आज आपका चैप्टर 1 फिनिश हो गया है। ओके।